Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing the battery pack or cable so you don't short anything. Once done, remove the two small Torx screws under the bumpers and the rear shell screws. This gives access to the jack area. Use the spudger to separate clips gently because forcing them can break plastic. Make sure to wear an ESD strap or touch grounded metal to avoid static damage while you continue. This prevents component failure during disassembly. Once the rear shell is open, carefully remove screws holding the PCB and lift it, watching ribbon cables and triggers. You inspect the jack area for cracked solder joints, bent contacts, or a loose metal shield. These are common failure points. If you see fractured solder, you'll need to reflow. If contacts are bent, you can gently realign with tweezers. Make sure you remember board orientation and cable routing, because correct reassembly, you now perform the repair. If solder joints are cracked, reflow with a fine tip iron and flux. If the jack is damaged, replace it using the same solder points. Once repaired, reseat the PCB, reconnect ribbons, and tighten screws without over-tightening to avoid stripping. Reattach the shell clips and two Torx screws. Finally, test with headphones and microphone. If you still get no audio, check continuity with a multimeter and reflow suspect joints. That single troubleshooting step solves most lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.